CAA की बात करते हैं। 4 साल पहले बिल पास हुआ था और 4 साल बाद रूल्स को नोटिफाई किया गया, यानी कि इम्प्लीमेंटेशन CAA सिटीजनशिप अमेंडमेंट एक्ट का कर दिया गया है। इट विल नाउ फास्ट ट्रैक सिटीजनशिप फॉर अनडॉक्यूमेंटेड नॉन मुस्लिम माइग्रेंट्स फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान, बांग्लादेश एंड अफगानिस्तान who came to India before December 31st, 2014. With the unveiling of the rules that came days ahead of the announcement of the Lok Sabha elections, the centre can now start granting Indian nationality to persecuted non-Muslim migrants from the 3 neighbouring countries. Home Ministry says applicants will be reviewed after the applications are submitted in a completely online mode, for which a web portal has been provided. The law could not come into effect as rules had not been notified till now. Union Home Minister Amit Shah said Prime Minister Narendra Modi has delivered on another commitment and realized the promise of the makers of the Constitution. At the CEC meeting, BJP top brass hailed Prime Minister and Home Minister for fulfilling a long-standing commitment. With this, celebrations took place across the country. West Bengal's Matua community celebrated the implementation of the citizenship law, claiming it to be their second Independence Day. Matuas, originally from East Pakistan, are a weaker section of Hindus who migrated to India during the partition and after the creation of Bangladesh. Pakistani Hindu refugees who have been living a life of uncertainty in various states also welcomed the government's step. But there were also individuals who protested this. The All Assam Students Union and 30 indigenous organizations burnt copies of CAA in different parts of Assam. NSUI staged protest in Jamia, and the stir is also planned in GNU today. Meanwhile, security has been beefed up in Shaheen, Bagh, Jamia Nagar and other areas of the national capital, as well as in various states which had earlier witnessed anti-CAA protest. Flag marches were conducted across UP and Delhi.
We're at gate number 7 of Jamia, Millia, Islamia, which was the epicenter of a lot of protests in 2019 when the anti-CAA NRC riots broke out. Currently, we can see that a lot of security is deployed here at the moment. The BSF has also been brought in. In fact, senior police officials have been checking this place, have been coming here. In fact, the special CP of Delhi was also here. The DCPs have also been here. In fact, the security has been ramped up. In fact, the cops are here to make sure that if any protests take place, they can be dealt with an adequate fashion. And here as well, we can see that a lot of police deployment is present here. And a few minutes ago, we also saw that some students on the bike came and stated that they will come here and stage a protest. But at the moment, normalcy is restored. There is nothing happening here. But again, the cops are here in large numbers.
The deployment is just to, precautionary. I'm sure that people know that CAA rules, which have been just notified, have no bearing on any of the misgivings that the particular committee may have, or some interested quarters may like to peddle. I'm sure that the people would understand the true import of the rules which have been notified, and I want to assure them that we are all there to maintain law and order. Let us see. We still haven't got information about very large-scale protests. Some small protests here and there may have been planned. We'll deal with them as and when they happen.
अभिषेक राज जुड़ रहे हैं हमारे साथ।